आप कीजिएगा खुद। तो कौन सी स्टेटमेंट है जिसका मुझे करना है? स्टेटमेंट 11, 12, 13, 25। तो एक्सेल की फाइल में, एसपीएसएस की फाइल में डाटा को मैं लेके चल रहा हूं एसपीएसएस में। Which is the file? The name of the file is data file. Data file से हम साथ साथ देख ही लेते हैं, इनकी हम रिलायबिलिटी चेक कर लेते हैं, पहले कितनी है और बाद में क्या होगी। इस प्रोसेस से आपकी रिलायबिलिटी इंप्रूव हो जाएगी। 11, 12, 13 and 25. The reliability comes out as 0.74, right? Now let's do it. Let's take it to the operation theater. 11, 12, 13 जब आप कॉलम के ऊपर से सिलेक्ट करते हैं पूरा डाटा सिलेक्ट हो जाता है। 11, 12, 13 कॉपी एंड आई हैव टेकन इट टू सेकंड रो से, यहाँ लिखता हूँ 11, 12, 13 एंड 25। Right? Now I will apply equal to max of these four minus minimum of these four. इस पे डबल क्लिक कर दें, जितना भी डाटा होगा वहां तक चला जाएगा, लास्ट तक चला गया और ड्रैग जैसा आपको पता है। दिस इज डी। अब मुझे क्या करना है, आपको इसमें दिखेगा नहीं कलर। हाँ, तो डाटा को सिलेक्ट करके आई विल गो फॉर होम। In the home, where is conditional formatting? Conditional formatting. Conditional formatting. Highlight cell rules. ये Excel की कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज हैं। Greater than 3 ले लेता हूँ। तो अब ये आपको तो कलर दिख नहीं रहा, मुझे दिख रहा है, तो मैं इस पे चेक कर लेता हूँ। यहाँ पे 4 है। अब इस केस में देखिए 4, 5, 2, 1 नॉट पॉसिबल। किसको चेंज करें? 1 को 3 बना दूँ मैं। 1 जो था और कलर कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे कलर है 5, 5, 1, 1। नाउ दिस इज रियली बैड। इसको आपको छोटा बनाना पड़ेगा। लेट्स मेक 2 और 1 और समथिंग लाइक दैट। यू या
जैसे अभी 5 पे 1, 1 है, हो सकता है कोई स्टेटमेंट इसमें ऐसी जो रिवर्स वाली हो, 1 और 5 होगा इसमें।
वो आपको पहले से कर देना चाहिए, वो करके फिर यहाँ एक्सेल में लाना चाहिए। वो यस, दैट इज टोटली आर्बिट्रेरी। दैट इज टोटली आर्बिट्रेरी।
सर अगर हम मल्टीपल स्केल यूज कर रहे हैं,
हाँ,
जैसे कि 2-3 तरह के स्केल हैं तो हर स्केल के अंदर जो हम जैसे 5 पॉइंट स्केल है, हर एक में सेम होना चाहिए या डिफरेंट भी हो सकता है?
हर एक में अगर आप फैक्टराइजेशन या कन्फर्मेटरी लगाना है, द स्केल शुड बी सेम।
मतलब स्ट्रांगली डिसएग्री, स्ट्रांगली एग्री जाए।
एब्सोल्युटली। आई रिमेंबर ये जो लड़की पूजा है, इसने क्या किया, 5 पे तो इसने कहा एग्री से डिसएग्री, अगली स्टेटमेंट पे कहा सेटिस्फाइड से डिससेटिस्फाइड, कुछ पे कहा हाईली इन्फ्लुएंस से ये इन्फ्लुएंस, और इसने कहा ये एफ ये लगा दो, नहीं लग सकता।
चाहे वो 5-5
का स्केल हो, एब्सोल्युटली सेम, एक ही स्केल, एक ही स्केल। जैसे ही आपने कहा हाईली इन्फ्लुएंस, बात ये अलग होगी, कंटेक्स्ट ही चेंज हो गया, रिप्लाई चेंज हो गया, आपका अलग चीज है। आपका नहीं हो तो 1 to 5 था, तो इसका निकला कि कैसे करें इसको। तो हमने कहा स्टेटमेंट को ऐसे, डाटा कलेक्ट हो गया, आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते, डाटा भी 1200 का कलेक्ट हो गया। हमने कहा इसको ऐसे स्टेटमेंट ऐसे बनाओ, क्योंकि क्वेश्चनर तो वहां पर रिपोर्ट में लगेगा ना फाइनली। क्वेश्चनर आप ऐसा बनाओ दैट कैन बी आंसर्ड फ्रॉम स्ट्रांगली एग्री टू डिसएग्री। डज इट इन्फ्लुएंस यू हेवीली, स्ट्रांगली एग्री। मीनिंग वही लिखे पर स्केल वही होना चाहिए, डाटा ताकि वही निकले। गॉट द पॉइंट? ओके, नाउ लेट्स चेंज इट टू 4, 5, 4, 3। लेट्स मेक इट 3 और 4, 1, 5, this, let's make it 3। ओके, मैंने कितने चेंज किए हैं? शायद 5 या 6 चेंज किए हैं। इन 5-6 का ही मैं एक बार देखता हूँ क्या फर्क पड़ता है। दोबारा पेस्ट करता हूँ यहाँ पे जाके, तो इट वाज 11, 12, 13, पेस्ट 11, 12, 13 and 25। पेस्ट, शायद ये पेस्ट नहीं हुआ क्योंकि यहाँ पर चेंज आ जाना चाहिए, और अगर पेस्ट होता है तो कॉपी 11 में पेस्ट। अगर ये पेस्ट करेगा ये ऊपर एक्टिवेट हो जाएगा सेव का, कि मतलब डाटा चेंज होते ही वो बोलता है कि सेव करने के लिए 25 कॉपी और राइट क्लिक पेस्ट। ठीक है, चेक करें रिलायबिलिटी दोबारा निकाल के कुछ इंप्रूव हो रही है या नहीं। 0.78 होगी, पहले रिलायबिलिटी 7.4 की मैंने कितने चेंज किए हैं, शायद 5 या 6, और उनकी एक एक वैल्यू, शायद एक की 2 वैल्यू की है, बाकी सब की एक वैल्यू चेंज की है। रिजल्ट्स आपके सामने। अगर आपका अल्फा अच्छा है आगे तक एवी भी बढ़ जाएगा, आपका सारे सिस्टम्स खत्म हो जाएंगे। ये सिर्फ तब यूज करें जब आपका पॉइंट पे हो, बिल्कुल मार्जिन पे हो, थोड़ा सा पुश दिया जा सकता है। बहुत ज्यादा आप करेंगे तो क्या होगा, आपका ये जितना इंप्रूव होता जाएगा उतना आपका डिस्क्रिमिनेट वैलिडिटी में प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगी। जितना आप इनिशियली कन्वर्जेंट बढ़ाएंगे उतनी वो घट जाएगी आपकी, फॉर दोनों में वो रेड हो जाएगा। ओके, एंड देन यू वोंट फाइंड एनी वे आउट। सो इसको हम क्या करना पड़ेगा, जब आपने ये चेंज कर दिया, मेक चेंजेस टू द SPSS फाइल नंबर 1। एंड ये जो अमोस है इसको तो अभी तक पिछली इंस्टेंस याद है। मैं आपको एक छोटा सा बताऊं, SPSS या कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर कैसे काम करता है। आपने MS वर्ड की एक फाइल बनाई, सेव कर दिया, सेव है, आपने उसको खोला, आपने सिर्फ एक स्पेस बार दबाया, जब आप उसको बंद करेंगे तो पूछेगा डू यू वांट टू चेंज, राइट? आप स्पेस बार मत दबाइए, सिर्फ खोला, पढ़ के बंद कर दो, सेव का ऑप्शन नहीं आएगा। एक माइनर चेंज से भी सेव का ऑप्शन आएगा। होता क्या है, रैम के अंदर जाती है फाइल, आपकी ओरिजिनल फाइल नहीं उठाता वो उसका एक इंस्टेंस रैम में उठाता है, और जो चेंजेस हैं रैम, वो चेंजेस आपके मेन फाइल में चले जाते हैं। तो हुआ क्या कि जब हमने अमोस खोला है, इसमें कौन सा इंस्टेंस है फाइल का, प्रीमिस। आपने जो सेव किया वो तो इसके पास है नहीं, इसका लिंक है, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, दोबारा फाइल में जाए, वहां आपने सेव कर रखा है, बस सिर्फ उसको ओपन दोबारा रीअटैच कर दें। अब ये नया आ जाएगा, अब जब रन करेंगे वो इंप्रूव हो जाएगा। ओके, आप एक बार खुद करके देखें 11, 12, 13 को। 11, 12, 13 अगेन 1.5, then we'll work on second degree CFA, then we'll go for imputing and see what is the difference in regression with CFA, SCM and regression simply and the SPSS. Then we'll go for the final about the advanced issues, mediation, moderation, interaction. So it's going to be really a lot of things we have to cover along with your questions. Now please switch off this. Yesterday we got Yesterday we were talking about, somebody was asking about how to write the paper. So there is a very good PDF file by Daniel Lemieux that is about write good papers. It's really very good and you must go through it. So you just see, it says how these things are, what to do, not to do, what should be the way of English, how the things should be presented. Everything, it's a long one and you must go through it. Do refer time to time to the group, because most of the people, I know what they have done. If you have seen in the group from the last 1 month, I think more than 20 people they have said, sir, please change my email ID. And what they make the email ID something they change, they check once in 6 months, even they don't remember their password. It's okay, I have absolutely no issues. But the point is, please go to time to those mail IDs, particularly like Akash has uploaded number of files which are really fantastic. Really fantastic, how to refer these CFA results, how to write, what to see exactly in the research paper when for the beginners. So people do share and you are also most welcome to share your knowledge, whatever you feel this is good. Then there is something called validity issues. This is a file that is available with you. This is one knowledge file which is prepared by Preeti Jain. She is a faculty member in Hindu College, Sonipat. She talks all about how these values are calculated. So if any, by chance you forget how to calculate MSV, how to calculate ASV, AVE. So she talked about this one. Actually the first line, please look for this. This is Gascon on. Gaskin is the name of the person. Gaskin, I think this is some writing mistake. Okay, well she is begin with this is one example, and then these are the values, how it is calculated. Okay, how it is calculated, what is SCM, what is construct liability,
what is AVE, how to calculate from the diagram, what is MSV, what is ALSV, what are the 5 concerns: content validity, construct validity, convergent, discriminant, non-logical validity. Convergent, these are the 3 things. Discriminant, these are the 2 things. Model fitness, all the values are given. Now, the problem we were encountering was that a number of research scholars, despite all efforts, they were not getting the value of 0.9 in the CFI, GFI. So what to do? The most important thing in the PhD is you can do anything until and unless you got precedence for it. You got reference for that. So I asked Preeti Jain particularly to find out those research papers where CFI value of 0.8 has been recommended. And she has done a good service. She found out one book, some others, and there is one more girl, Astha. She also given some results. I will compile them and upload on the group. If your CFI is not coming up to 0.9, if it's 0.8, so you must reference who else had it 0.8 in such table. 5, 7 references, it's okay. Okay. So generally these are the values that they take, and these are the mediation moderation that we discussed today. Some other points are there. So a good file to go through. Then there is something called validity tutorial. It will tell you simply how to use this stat tool package. Okay. Copy here, click on this, you will get that sort of stuff. Then there is something called template SEM, because a number of people are very concerned about how exactly to write about say SEM results. Now I have provided n number of files. One is how to write CFA, the work of Dr. Preeti Sharma, your partner student sir. She is faculty member in Department of Commerce MDU. This is her report. Okay, this is generally and reporting. There is some other file I have given that SEM format files. Yeah, SEM format. How to write construct by construct. This I have shown to you and shared with you. Now this is there is a book of marketing research by Naresh Malhotra and Das. For the people of research, this is considered as one Bible. It's recommended in more than 110 countries as textbook. In the last, Naresh Malhotra and Das, they have given some cases. So in the appendix you will find case 3.10. So in that case, it's a complete way how a paper should be written using SEO. Let's go through it first, okay? Because I think it's a 6th or 7th edition. Earlier it was only Naresh Malhotra, only in the new edition Das and Malhotra. Clear? No, earlier only Malhotra and Das. Das, Professor Das, no longer a null hypothesis, it's a directional hypothesis. It has some evidences. Why the people believe it? Because 15 such people have done it. Then there is a second hypothesis, third hypothesis. Then they say there is something else. Das and Sajai, they have done a study, Salam has done a study, these are done. On the basis of their findings, they take higher perception of customer trust results in the higher purchase intention. Initially, if you feel my data is secure, my data is, the refuge, security, so trust will be there, and from the trust you will say there will be higher purchase intentions will be there. So they have written this, this is no longer review of literature, it will be called conceptualization, and this is the diagram of hypothesis. They will say, more will be the security, hypothesis 1 says, higher security, higher is the trust, higher privacy, higher is the trust, higher perceived vendor reputation, higher is the trust, the more will be the trust, the more will be the purchase intention. Nobody needs to go through your 30-40 pages to understand what exactly you are talking about. Simple one diagram, it all comes into picture. And no bullshit, nothing about the writing the pages and the pages, only 15, 20, 30 studies, only that much studies, and that is enough. Now the person saying in between he has just how to work on the SEM, because remember in the earlier versions of Naresh Malhotra, SEM was not a part, need was there, so Professor Das joined and wrote this chapter. So generally how to work with the AMOS etc. Go for the CFA, then go for this. Now the important thing is how to write outreach. So you can come here. In CFA we have this check, CFI value, IFI value, RMSE value, this, and the way it has presented. Then it goes further that if you want to compute for your own, well, it's a really very poor quality. The scan is not very good. Scale items, yeah, scale item, you know what is this property called? What is this property called? This property is called luminance. Luminance is more. There are some, very many cheap LCDs are available. Luminance इतना कम है कि आपको पूरा अंधेरा करना पड़ेगा. So luminance is good property. Okay. Then how to calculate ABE, how to calculate this, etc. All values are given. So just go through it, and then again conceptualizing path analysis to test the causal relationship. Or somebody was asking, you are asking, how to check the relationship. Now let me fundamentally make clear what is the difference between ANOVA and SCM. ANOVA and SCM. When we say there is a one dependent variable sales, I want to see whether the sales in public and private sector differs. ANOVA will be used or t-test will be used to be more precise. When we say the sales and advertisement, this relationship is same in the public or private sector, SCM will be used. SCM checks a relationship between the various groups. ANOVA and t-test checks one variable and its variations among various groups. Am I clear? Difference. If you want to check only sales, whether it is different from public-private sector t-test. If you have to check whether the relationship of advertisement and sales, whether it is same in public and private sector, that is ANOVA. That is SAM. We will do that today, and that is in SAM. That is called as the moderation effect. Now after that it says, well, this is the way, and these are the way how the results will be reported. Well, now you got three format. Priti has given you which name? I always forget his name. Joom Lee something. He has given the format, and Naresh Malhotra has given the format. The way it should be written. So you got now the three things. It should not be a very problem to write the SCM results. You got some.
This is more than enough, or should we go to the narration of the whole book?
This is enough. This is enough. You need not to. The point is, see, it's always good to check your fundamentals. Always good. The basic point is, in the last 2 days, apart from the menu of Amos, what I am telling you, I am teaching you regression. Again and again, the simply regression. What is beta and what is R square, what is adjusted R square, etc. Somebody asked a formula yesterday, what is the formula for adjusted R square?